Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your MetaBank's taxpayer account. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. So for those people who do not know what EPS is basically a division of MetaBank which deals with like the tax paying stuffs, alright? So if you want to log in into a taxpayer account, you need to come to epstax.net, which is the official website of, MetaBank for like taxpayer account. So if you go into like the normal MetaBank, official website, metabank.com, login into your account, then it's not going to work because you have a taxpayer account. And for logging into a taxpayer account, you need to come to this website. So let me just, show you from the beginning. First step, you want to come to like your search engine, whichever search engine you want, and you want to write epstax.net. Make sure it says .net at the end and search for it. Once you search for it, it's going to take you to epstax.net, this page over here. Now, once you're over here, you want to click on login at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on login, it's going to take you to its login page. So wait for some time until the login page loads up. Now, once you're over here on its login page, over here where it says username, just enter the username of your, EPS account and password of your EPS account and click on sign in. And if the username and password you entered over here is correct, you should be able to log in into a taxpayer account of MetaBank. And if you guys want to sign up or like create a new account for like, taxpayer account of MetaBank, you can click on new user to create yourself a new account as well. And if you forgot your username, you can always click on forgot username. And if you forgot your password, you can always click on forgot password in order to recover your password as well. All right. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into MetaBank's taxpayer account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Want to step? I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.